Hi friends, I'm going to show you a real quick project that I did the last couple of days. It's not super quick, but it's fun, easy, and you have 16 cards when you're done. So this set, it's called Serenity, if you can see this up here. The papers are beautiful, and it comes in a packet of all the products you need to make 16 cards. You get the stamp set, along with 16 bases and envelopes, and a list of possible materials you may need to add, like ink pads, glue, scissors, paper trimmer, things like that. But it comes with instructions, how to cut all the sheets to come up with 16 cards that you're going to make, 4 of each pattern. You can mix and match the sayings however you want, but this set was in the November-December book and is no longer in the idea book, but it is available online. And let me tell you, these papers are gorgeous. So I'm going to show you the 4 cards that I made. This is the first one. I switched it up with another set of sentiment stamps that I have and added a few other sentiments to my cards, but each card can be just a little bit different. And this right here is stamped in black, and then I used watercolor pencils just to add a little bit of color to the flower. So there's 4. Here's the next set. I used dimensionals, the foam tape, so that these are not flat images. Again, I added a little bit of watercolor pencils that close to my heart cells to add just a tiny bit of color to those cards. My husband just got home. Hopefully he doesn't come interrupt. Anyway, this is the 3rd set of stamps. I may give out a lot of birthday cards, so I made more birthday type cards than what it shows in the actual instructions. And this is the 4th set. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love the colors so much. So I'll link my Close to My Heart website if you're interested, but let me tell you, these projects are fabulous, and if you buy the workshop, you get almost everything you need to create your project. Thanks for visiting.